Hey guys and girls, welcome to lesson number 3 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifactner.com. In these lessons we are learning to speak in Hindi and Urdu through English. If you would like to read more about it, then please visit ifactner.com. Lesson number 3 is about the word don't. We will be practicing the word don't in different sentences in Hindi and Urdu. Don't means na karo in Hindi and Urdu. Na means no, karo means do. Na karo, do not. Don't. Na, no, karo, do. Do not. Do not. Na karo. Na karo. Na karo. So guys and girls, let's begin our lesson number 3. Don't. Na karo. Na karo. Na karo. Don't make noise. Shor. Shor means noise. Na means no, machao. It's a special word. You can say shor na karo, but usually in slang language we use machao. Shor na machao. Shor na machao. Shor na machao. Shor na machao. Machao. शोर ना मचाओ. शोर ना करो. Don't make noise. शोर ना मचाओ. Don't irritate me. मुझे. मुझे means myself, me. Tongue, irritate. ना करो, don't. मुझे tongue, tongue. It's not tongue, it's ta. Tongue ना करो. मुझे तंग ना करो. तंग. मुझे तंग ना करो. Don't irritate me. मुझे तंग ना करो. Don't turn off the TV. TV मत बंद. It's banned, not banned. It and D is the. बंद. The. बंद करो. TV mat, it's na karo. Mat also means na karo. TV band. TV mat band karo. TV mat band karo. No. Mat also means no. TV mat band karo. TV mat band karo. It's not mat, it's mat. टीवी मत बंद करो. बंद करो. टीवी मत बंद करो. टीवी मत बंद करो. Don't turn off the TV. टीवी मत बंद करो. Don't make a mess. गंदगी. The. It's not da. गैंडगी नहीं है. It's not गैंडगी. It's गंदगी. गंदगी. गंदगी ना करो. गंदगी ना करो. Mess means गंदगी. गंदगी ना करो. गंदगी ना करो. गंदगी ना करो. गंदगी ना करो. Don't fight or scream. मत लड़ो. मत means no. Don't. मत लड़ो या चीखो. मत लड़ो. It's not लड़ो, it's लड़ो. मत लड़ो या चीखो. मत लड़ो या चीखो. चीखो. मत लड़ो या चीखो. Don't fight or scream. So guys and girls, remember that usually it's ta. The word T sounds like ta usually, but not always, because we have different words ta and ta in Hindi and Urdu. So it's don't. T. it's in don't it's t, and in tongue it's ta. Don't t, and tongue is ta. So it's usually we use ta word in Hindi and Urdu, and band, the word in the sound in when we have got D in the end. So now let's begin our practice session. I will speak in English and you will translate it into Hindi and Urdu. Don't. Na karo. Very good. Don't make noise. Machao. Shor na machao. Shor na machao. Don't make noise. Very good. Don't irritate me. मुझे तंग ना करो. Very good. मुझे तंग ना करो. Don't irritate me. मुझे तंग ना करो. Don't turn off the TV. मत. TV मत बंद करो. TV मत बंद करो. Very good. TV मत बंद करो. Don't turn off the TV. Don't make a mess. गंदगी, गंदगी, गंद द. Very good. गंदगी ना करो. ना करो. गंदगी ना करो. Don't make a mess. Don't fight or scream. No, Matt, not Matt, मत. लड़ो, लड़ो. मत लड़ो या चीखो. Yeah, मत लड़ो या चीखो. Very good. Don't fight or scream. मत लड़ो या चीखो. So guys and girls, thank you very much. This was our lesson number 3 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifactner.com. I would like to request you to please subscribe to our channel and please visit our website ifactner.com for more detailed tutorials. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.